same thing, a little bit faster. All right, starting on that D chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, we're rock solid on these chord notes, aren't we? Let's double it up. For eighth notes, I'll count them in first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, you can count along, yeah. 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and here we go. 1 and 2. That strumming hand at this tempo is more of an approximation, right? We're concerned about the bounce and landing on 1. Oh, did I strum just 4 strings here? It's okay if that A string rings out a little bit.